How to link your partner on Flow app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to link your partner on the Flow app. Whether you are using Android or iOS, it's super simple. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to download the Flow app from your Google Play Store or App Store, and once you have installed it, simply open the app and log in with your account. And if you're new to Flow, simply sign up and follow the on-screen instruction and make sure to accept all terms and conditions to proceed. And once you are in the main dashboard of Flow app, simply tap on partners icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here on this page, you simply need to tap on link your partner. And once you tap on that, a code will be generated. So you simply need to copy and send the code to your partner, and after that your partner need to enter the code in their Flow app, and once confirmed, both of you will be successfully linked as partner. And that's it. That's how you can link your partner on Flow app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.